Hello, my name is Christy Zuber, and I am one of the faculty members of this program, and I am also a mentor. So this is near and dear to my heart. I know mentoring is one of those things that's been around for a very long time. But to be honest, most mentoring conversations really stay at very much of a surface level and evoke kind of knee-jerk niceties and sort of pleasant conversations. Nothing wrong with pleasant conversations, but we really want to give ourselves the chance to dig in to have more fresh and authentic conversations together. So we've created something here to help us do that. So we have about an hour together, mentor and mentee. So welcome. I will be guiding you through the hour program together. So coming into this, the mentee has completed a what's called an empathy map, which is a human-centered design tool used to kind of get into the lives of someone or a group of people. So they've used it to capture information about themselves, about their current self, actually, who they really are today, personally and professionally. So an empathy map contains 4 different key points of information. What people are saying and doing. Those are often the things that you might observe. You can hear them talking, see what they talk about, what they are actually doing in sort of their day-to-day lives. And then something that kind of goes on that's more latent. What are they thinking? What occupies their mind? And what are they feeling? What are those deeper emotions that might be going on? We're going to share that with you. We're going to take about 8 to 10 minutes to do that. So go ahead and pause this video and we'll give the mentee a chance to bring out their empathy map and talk about what they've captured. So go ahead and pause now. Okay, welcome back. Next, we're going on to the second part of this, which is we're going to watch a video. It's not quite 5 minutes long, but I figured by the time you queued it up, it would probably be about 5 minutes. So it's about a 4-minute video, and it's about fixed and growth mindsets. You may have already watched part 1 of the video. The time today is to watch part 2 of this video together. And I want you to really listen intently and really challenge yourself. You know, what parts of this fixed mindset do I have? Because we all have it somewhere. And what triggers that in me? For all of us that are experts, it's and have sort of been rewarded by being achievers, being seen as very smart and the expert in the room. This is actually exceptionally challenging. So I want you to listen to this video and then to spend a few minutes, 10 minutes after you've seen the video to debrief that. So go ahead and pause this, watch the video together, and then spend another 10 minutes debriefing after you've watched the video. So go ahead and pause now. Okay, so if you're hitting play again, you have ideally already watched the video together and you've had a chance to debrief what you recognized in that video, what you saw in yourself, the mentee, what you saw in yourself, and had a great conversation about that. So next, what we're going to have you do is we're going to spend 15 minutes between the mentor and the mentee, and I want you to do another empathy map, but this time the empathy map is about your future self. So what do you imagine this future self to be after the fellowship has been complete? What are you saying, doing, thinking, and feeling that might be different from where you currently are today? So this is a chance to visualize that. Remember, we've just watched that fixed and growth mindset video. It might have called out some certain things in yourself that, that might be challenges that you struggle with. Use this fellowship program to address some of those things and to really learn and grow and expand. So let's take 15 minutes to discuss and brainstorm a little bit about what that future self might be doing. What are you thinking, doing, saying, and feeling? So go ahead and pause now. All right, welcome back. So at this point, you should have just completed the future self empathy map. Now what I want you all to do is to take 10 minutes and really brainstorm. Look at those two together. Look at the current state of yourself and the future state of yourself. And I want you to think about what is it that will bring you from one point to another? What kind of challenges might you face? What kind of barriers might you need to overcome? What things do you really sort of want to think about with yourself that will help you get to that future state? So I want you to take about 10 minutes. Think about those setbacks that might occur along the way. Think about those things that are challenging. So 10 minutes, go ahead and pause this video now. Okay, welcome back again. So at this point, you should have completed the discussion talking about what are some of those setbacks, those challenges, those things that you'll need to begin to address and think about moving from your current self to your future self. All right, now we're in the final throes of this particular time together, this discussion together. You have about 10 minutes. In these final 10 minutes, I just want you to sort of reflect on what came up for you today, what's exciting, what are some ahas that you had, and know that the mentee after this conversation will be finishing off with the worksheet, and they will also be then brainstorming some of the really specific goals to bring them from their current state to that future state. What are some of the goals that you might have as in leadership and innovation and so forth? That will then set the foundation for the IDP plan that they will submit. So good luck. This is a good time. You can go ahead and stop this video and have a great conversation together. And well wishes. I hope this helped to lead to a fresh and authentic conversation between mentor and mentee. Thank you so much.